Hello Comos, welcome back to my channel. As you might have guessed from the thumbnail, today's video is about a short yet refreshing trip to Bhimtal. I started recording from Meta, and Bhimtal is approximately 60 km away from Udaipur. So let's start moving toward Haldwani because it's on the way. So Haldwani is a small but bustling city in Uttarakhand, often considered the gateway of the Kumaon Hills. It's quite crowded, so if you're planning to visit Bhimtal, Nainital, or any nearby hill station, plan your travel timings carefully to avoid traffic. There are plenty of cafes and places worth stopping at in Haldwani. Many people from the upper hilly areas of Kumaon come here to settle, just like we have been living in Rudrapur from past few years for similar reasons. Now, before reaching Bhimtal, there is a place called Saladi. So there is a small roadside shop that serves momos, Maggie, and must-try dish, which is their special Pahadi Raita with aloo. I'm telling you, it's finger-licking good. While driving through the hills, you'll be surrounded by breathtaking views of mountains, valleys, and forests. I was chatting with my father the whole way, enjoying every bit of the drive. I love driving in the mountains. It's so calming that I hardly let anyone else take the wheel. So, now a quick reminder about mountain driving rules. Always stick to your lane even if you are in rush. Never overtake on blind curves. During the day, blow your horn before sharp turns. At night, check your headlights properly. And finally, the wait is over because we have reached Bhimtal. It's such a peaceful place where you can stroll along the Thandi Sadak with the lake shimmering beside you. Apart from walking and soaking in the view, you can enjoy activities like hiking, boating, trekking, paragliding, kayaking, and even some fun games at the local play zone. I have made a separate videos for paragliding and kayaking. Later on, if you got the time, please check out those videos as well. This was my father's first time boating in Bhimtal. So yeah, he was a little nervous about it. We captured multiple clips. My dad was enjoying the view too, even though he had a bit of a cold. Now here's my favorite part. Sitting by the lakeside is pure magic. The gentle ripples of water, cool mountain breeze, and distant hills make time slow down. It's as if the mountains whisper stories and the lake listens silently. You don't just see the view, you feel it in your soul. So you can come here with anyone, as in it's an evergreen place. You can visit anytime with friends, family, your loving ones. Anyway, after boating, we visited Tal Cafe, and I have already posted the review earlier. Kindly go and check it as well if you have not. Then it was a time to head back after enjoying the city drive once more. Before I end, a humble request to all who visit mountains. Whenever you visit the mountains, please don't litter. Keep these places clean and as beautiful as nature intended. And that's it for today's trip. Driving through the mountains is always fun, but it's the peace, fresh air, and simple beauty that make it unforgettable. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel stories. And also, don't forget to ask for my family. Don't wait for friends only.